Howdy, everybody. I'm Hand-Drawn Hank, and welcome to today's Quick Draw, where you suggest it and I draw it. Remember, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe below. Today's drawing was suggested by Ceylin. She made a suggestion on my Instagram page, and she asked for something that is so crazy. She asked for a Cyborg Ninja Cat. What? Well, here we go, and Ceylin, thanks for the suggestion. First things first, let's draw our Cyborg Ninja Cat's nose. Here we go. Pretty normal little nose there. Let's shade her in. Now I'm using a thin black pen today, so it's a little harder to shade, but we'll figure it out. Next, let's draw a big cartoon eye. Wow! Good job, I like it. And let's draw the inside. And shade! Ta-da! Good job! Now, let's draw a cyborg robot eye. Cool. Let's make it a big square. So, good job. And then draw a line like this. And then a line like this. Cool. That kind of looks robot-y, cyborgish. And then just draw a little circle. That is a robot eye. Awesome. Next, draw a little cylinder like this. And then half a circle. Good job. And this will make sense in a second. Stay with me. Draw a rectangle. So the cat doesn't have an ear on this side, so instead, our cyborg robot cat has like an antenna for communication. Cool. Next, let's draw our cat cheeks. Now these will be normal cat cheeks, not cyborg cheeks. So just and a mouth. Pretty cool. No problem there. Now let's draw a rectangle over here to really show like the robot side of the face. Good job. So this side over here is like the robot side, and this side over here is like the cat side. So let's draw some cat hair. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I like it. And then just a nice cat ear. There you go. Come over here. Let's draw the cat cheek. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we'll just draw some little fur on the side of the head. Boop, 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 boop. Ta-da! So there you go. You can see now we have like a cyborg cat face. Robot on the left, cat on the right. Let's keep going. So I decided that our Cyborg Ninja Cat is going to be sitting on a ledge on a roof, because to me that must be what Cyborg Ninja Cats do after a long day of being awesome. So first we're going to draw the arm coming down like this till the elbow comes about here. So draw it like this. Good job. And then just turn it. Good job. And do the same thing right here. And let's draw some like fur. Cool. There you go. Now let's just draw a normal little cat paw. 1, 2, 3. There you go. And maybe we put some little cat claws. Cool. Now I like it. So far, so good. Now we're gonna draw the side of the body. Good job. And let's draw a little kitty belly like this. Oh, just a little belly. Cool. And bring it down. Okay, because sometimes when you sit on a ledge, your belly pokes out. That's okay. This is just a good, healthy cat. And now we're actually going to draw this line all the way up. And this will make sense in a second, so just stay with me. Let's draw some fur. Like that. Nice. Looking good. Now we're going to have this elbow resting on our cat's leg. So we're going to just draw a curve Here you go. And whoop. And so the leg will be like right here. We're gonna draw ninja pants. So poof it out, poof it out, poof it out, let it come up, and then come down to the cat's bottom like that. Good, looking awesome. Now let's draw a ninja boot. So line comes down, line comes down. Remember, ninja shoes have that split toe, or like two toes. So it comes down and up and in and over and up like that. And that's like a ninja shoe called a split toe. Let's draw a fancy design here. So up, boop, and just draw some lines. Boop, 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 boop. Those are kind of like ninja boots, I guess. Pretty cool. Now we said he's gonna be sitting on the ledge, so let's draw that ledge right here. And that'll help us remember that everything that sits on goes kind of on that line, okay? Let's draw his other leg. So it comes up just the same, and turns down, but we're gonna stop short, and you'll see why. We're gonna come up, and we're gonna come down, stop short. Now we're gonna pretend like this pant leg got torn off, something in like a battle or a fight or something. So we're just gonna draw like tattered, torn up cloth, like his pants got torn off. And that's okay, because right here we're gonna draw like a robot cat leg, because remember, he's a cyborg ninja cat. So we're gonna draw a skinny line and a skinny line. And we'll draw like a half circle where his robot kneecap would be, and a straight line for the joint. And then we'll draw these like curved robot looking little lines, because remember, he's a cyborg, so he's half robot. Just bring it down. And we'll make this like a robot cat foot. So 1 and 2 and 3. And curves and curves and little curves. And let's extend. And we'll draw little robot toes and curves. And then we'll draw some cool claws. So that's like a robot leg, because he's a cyborg ninja cat. So cool. Okay, let's extend that ledge. Now, at this point, I bet you're saying, hey, what's gonna happen over here? Well, I'll tell you, it's going to be an awesome cyborg robo arm. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a line, and a line, and we're gonna draw it up, up, and then we're gonna do more. You'll see what's coming here. It's kind of cool idea, I think. We'll draw a half circle for like the robot elbow. So we're gonna draw those curved lines that we use to show like a robot arm. And draw some more curved lines. Pretty cool. We'll stop right there. So we're gonna pretend that this robot lost his whole arm, and instead of an arm, because he's a ninja cyborg, we're gonna give him an arm that is actually a sword arm. So I think it's gonna be pretty cool. So we're gonna draw something here. Whoop, whoop. We'll put a circle here, and you'll see what. And I like to pretend this circle is like a spike. Cool. And then a little line. And then bring this down. So what we're doing here is we're trying to make like this cool apparatus that's a robot arm that holds the sword. So draw a little rectangle here. Let's put some spikes, because it's awesome. Good job. Draw maybe a line here and here for detail. Draw this line across. Okay. One little rectangle. Now we're gonna draw a circle. We'll put a line in the circle. A rectangle. A spike. And at this point, I'm just drawing awesome stuff. Okay, and let's put the sword right here. So we draw a little line. Cool. A cylinder, another spike, why not? And then we're gonna draw the blade coming down and resting on the ledge. So after a big day of fighting, he's just resting and stretching his robot arm like this. Ding, and it hits right there, and it comes up, and it comes up, and we're gonna draw 3 lines. And so in my imagination, when it's time for our robot to go do battle, these things make his sword go really long. Shing! But right now he's just resting. Shoo! So it's nice and short and just resting on the ledge. Pretty cool, huh? Next, we're gonna draw the bottom of the ledge. And then we're gonna draw some little details here to make it look like a brick wall, like he's hanging out on a brick wall. So, I'm just gonna draw a little line. Whoop, another one. Whoop, whoop, whoop. That's cool. And then we just draw a line. 1, 2, 3. And then we draw a line in the middle. Whoop, below it. And below it. Whoop. And we just kind of alternate that pattern. And that kind of makes it look like a brick wall. Cool, huh? And over here we do the same thing. We just kind of line up. Whoop, 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 whoop. Same thing. Boop, 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 boop. The last thing I think we should draw is a super cool Cyborg Ninja Cat tail. So just draw a curvy line like this. Whoop. One more time. Draw a circle. And let's draw like a robot. Boop, boop, boop. Claw tail thing. It's totally awesome. Our Cyborg Ninja Cat has like a robo tail with a claw on the end. It's awesome. So, boop, 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 boop. Ta-da! Good job. And thank you, Salem, for the suggestion to draw a Cyborg Ninja Cat. Awesome! Remember, if you like what you saw, tell all your friends and please subscribe below. Now, let's color! Woo!